Mzansi mina ngiproud kakhulu. That's why ngithi abantu bangamjudge ubhuti Skim ene bangamu crucify for ukuthi usiphi platform ezama ex offenders. Akasichaneli futhi akasiphi iscript sokuthi sithini. Sikhuluma the raw material yama past nama experience wethu namanyala esiwaphilile empilweni. Abantu beze lapho kuzobreaka. And uSkim yena intention yakhe ukuthi abonise umzansi, abonise abantu, abonise South Africa ukuthi sidila nabantu abanjani, siphila nabantu abanjani emphakathini. Hayi ukuthi uyasi worshipa usiphi platform yokuembrace amanyala. We must never get it wrong. Check i-platform yami. Ngipostile i-video la uSkim ngi-interview khona. Mina ngabona ukuthi ayisekho isiporo siphelile, indlela yethu iphelile, amanyala wethu aphelile, ububhoza buphelile namanyala. Mina ngaconfessa kwaba yimi phakathi kwabantu abayi7 siSkim. Mina ngavele ngaphakamisa isandla ngathi ngiyawavuma wami amaqala, ubani uyawazi, ubani uyawaza wakhe, ubani uyawaza wakhe. So that is why I'm a self-rehabilitated ex-con, because i-change yami yaqala the day i-justice system nomthetho usihlukanisa, usibonisa ukuthi azange sibe abangani, azange sibe abantwana bomuntu, kodwa sasiyama enemy. That is why ngiye ngapoison ejwele, ngeke kwafakwa yonke into ukuthi bazama ukungibulala. Kanti uNkulunkulu ungcinile athi you will live to be a testimony, your test will become a testimony. So ngisamile abantu bangayithatha kanjani, angimprotect uSkim, but ngiyamsupporta ngoba aniboni nina unibonisa abantu esiphila nabo abaworship amanyala nenonsense. uSkim akaze aphe umuntu iscript, akaze futhi abize umuntu. Sonke sifuna ama-link wakhe, sifuna ama-number wakhe, sifuna ukuza kuma platform. Akakaze athi ngiyakuspeaker, ngiyakubani, akasazi. It's a fact. Inkosi mayibusisa, abantwana mabashintsha, abantwana mabafunda, abantwana mabazi ukuthi ejele kuyanyiwa, wekho lamanyala akhulunywa yilabantu abayembrace nonsense. Inkosi mayibusisa. Good people, Mr. Speaker again. Some of you have watched my interview with Mr. Skim GP Uputhemba Lukele on channel 163 Mzansi Wetu. It's on his way coming to YouTube. I'll give some people a link. It's about my life, present life, street life, and Njay. Some have watched, but again, beyond that, I'm not there. I'm not here for that, guys. The book is here. I told you Gucci, I wrote the book. It's called See Beyond Your Distraction. The book is out now. The book is here. Maybe aniboni kahle. The book is here. Let's see the inside of the book. Mawivula incwadi yami, it's like this. See Beyond Your Distraction by Ubongani Mthembu. Let's see the content of the book. I want to read you the content of the book. I'm a content. So go to what is interesting about the book. Why should you buy the book? What is it that you learn about this book? The content of the book, Nazine, I will read it for you. The journey of my life, the departure of my father and life with my stepfamily, life on the street, juvenile or state school, rearrest and conviction, a free man, arrival at Home Affairs, a ray of hope, back to the journey, Baragwanath Hospital, a maze of hope and confusion, the records office and an angel in disguise, the hunt for a missing page, the hospital takes responsibility, the crashing blow, losing my phone, a journey of persistence, motivation about friendship, back to Home Affairs, the cost of anger and lost control, the consequences of a moment's fury, hospitalized and alone, caught and consequences, flaws, challenges and hard truth. Shout out loud that pain, it's a motivation. Closing thoughts, being a free man, the tough reality of being an ex-con, the power of never giving up, a message for those growing up without parents, a call to parents, never abandon your children, changing perceptions and seeing life differently, how to stand firm in the face of challenges, the importance of a vision and dream, motivation, forgiveness and healing, understanding the substance abuse, and a personal reflection. These are the contents contained in this book. So you read about all this: alcohol abuse, the silent spiral, the road to recovery, seeking help and support, family addiction and healing, rehabilitation and what to expect, addiction and crime, a dangerous cycle, the power and challenge of motivation, steps toward change, and final words. So this is the book. Hey guys, this book is interesting. If you take your time, you read this book. It's interesting. Here's the book. I still have the book. You want the book, contact me, inbox me, or you can even call me to find out. But the book is only 200 rand. It depends. If you want me to courier it to you, you will choose. The first courier is 60 rand. The 5-day courier is 60 rand, but the fastest one is 110. So the book is 200 rand. You call me if you want to find more, or you want to find out more about my book. So here's the book. I'm still working towards raising more funds to launch the book. Remember, we're hustling. Remember, we love support. Remember, you don't babysit here. You don't shame financial instability. You work hard in silence and let your results make noise. So here's the book. Contact Mr. Speaker. Guys, flu is giving me the vibe of flu. Cheers. 200. If you want an audio book, it's still there. If you want to listen, not to read, it's 150. Even this book, if you want it not to be couriered to you, you can just buy it as a PDF that I will send through your email, or I will send you through WhatsApp. Thank you.
Welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mr. Speaker, ex-convict uthi akakendanga lutho uSkim Jiphile wrong. Abantu ngibo alabasuka emakhaya baye laphana aku-podcast yakhe bayodikhulumela ababrege about kungena or ukuba asetshela. Uthi iSkim GP kabafaki futhi magama emlonyeni, bona batiqabangela tinkulumo tabo batikhulumele because bona basuke bafuna kuphakama. Uthi uyacela ukuthi abantu bangamgciki futhi abantu bangathi mhlawumbe umuntu lomu bakasuye umuntu lomubi naye ngalesi sikhathi bulidini labantu ekhulumako uyamangala naye ukuthi hey kunemuntu lo into lefana nalena. So there were people who were saying ukuthi bafuna ilibhuku la Mr. Speaker. Now ke ma-details ukhulumile ukuthi litholakala kanjani, so ningamcontacta lapha ku-WhatsApp nithole leli book lakhe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.